Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? I want to introduce myself for you. My name is Trinafa. I'm 22 years old. I'm single. I come from Wonosobo, Central of Java, Indonesia. My height is 148 centimeter. My weight is 47 kg. My last education is junior high school. I'm Muslim. I cannot eat pork, but I can cook and handle the pork. I have experience before work in Jakarta 6 years, from 2019 until 2025. My first employer from 2019 until 2022. My job is take care one kid, 5 years old, have grandma, 70 years old, still healthy. Go to market, cooking, washing, ironing, and cleaning. Second employer from 2022 until 2025. My job is take care 2 kids, 8 years old and 5 years old. Go to market, cooking, washing, ironing, and cleaning. I can cook simple Chinese food like a steamed fish, steamed egg, stewed vegetable, chicken wings, black sauce, porridge, soup, and all the. I want to go to Hong Kong because I need more money to support my family and my best future. Thank you, mom. Thank you, sis. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.